Right here we have Francisco's iPhone 8. It needs a front, a back, a battery, and possibly a microphone, but I think it just needs to be cleaned out. So let's go ahead and get started with the back. All right, now it's crunch time. Now it's time for round 2. And we're gonna give it the good old brush. Right before I glue on the back glass, I noticed that actually the microphone cable is torn right here. And this was exposed before I started, so it makes sense that something got in here and tore it.
I can't act like I know what that means.
You don't think I know what that is?
So we got the back done. Now let's do everything else.